So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to edit contrast of an image here on Visme. So once Visme is opened up on your device, what I want you to do is first off add an image into your design. So to do that, go to the left hand side of your screen under this option right here where it says Photos, right between Graphics and Data. I want you to select on the Photos tab. Then once you're here, you can either select a photo that you've uploaded through the upload feature, or what you can do is, view the photos through all photos, or just search something up. So we're just going to go ahead and search up, how about a photo of a dog? Nice and basic, this dog right here. Look at this little fella. We're going to go ahead and edit the contrast of this. Just for demonstration purposes. So once that is done, to edit the contrast is pretty straightforward. Press on the image right here, go to the top left, press on this edit feature right here. And when you press on it, it'll highlight blue. Then you get this drop-down menu on the left. Then scroll all the way to the bottom to where it says Customize. Press on Customize. Then scroll down again to where it says Contrast. Now by default, contrast is set to 0. So if you wanted to make it a little bit more, you can slide this bar to the right. If you wanted to make it a little bit less, you can slide this bar to the left and sort of play around with it to whatever which way you're looking for in regards to setting the contrast of an image. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can edit the contrast of an image here on Visme. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.